Hey, what's up? It's Viv from Easy Tutorials, and let me show you how to use the layers in GIMP. It's very easy, very simple, and it's a very powerful tool. For example, I will drag and drop this image to the GIMP, okay? And now, instead of opening another image in another project, I want all the images to be over here over the right side under the layer tool. To do that, if I just drag and drop the image, you can see it will add another layer. So just to add another, if I, for example, you can turn on and off invisibility, and you can see another image over here like this. If you want to add another image, just drag and drop it to GIMP, and it will be on another layer for you to manipulate with. And this is practically it, how you add images to a layer and how to manipulate your layers. If you find this helpful, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.